Okay, so in order to connect our Google Analytics account, we're going to have to copy our tracking ID and paste it onto our WIX website. So the tracking ID is found under admin, tracking code, and it is this section here that says tracking ID. So you can just copy this text here, and let's go to our WIX website and find out the right place to paste this. So I select site, and then I go to marketing and SEO. And I'm going to scroll down here and look for marketing integrations. And then I see Google Analytics here, and I click connect. Scroll to the bottom, and it's giving me the instructions of what to do. Now I'm going to click connect to Google Analytics, and I'm going to paste my tracking code over here. Click save, and you're done.